Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Plumbing Pro Tips. Today, we're diving into the murky depths of your water heater. Ever wonder why your morning shower starts out hot but turns lukewarm? Or why your energy bills are sky high? The answer could be right here inside your water heater. Let's get to the root of the problem. This little beast works tirelessly to give you hot water, but it needs some love too. Over time, minerals in the water settle at the bottom of your water heater, forming a thick layer of sediment. Think of it as your water heater's very own mud bath, except it's not relaxing and definitely not beneficial. Sediment buildup reduces your water heater's efficiency, making it work harder to heat your water. More work equals more energy consumption, and more energy consumption equals higher bills. Not cool, right? This gunk is not just unsightly, it's a silent saboteur, but it gets worse. This sludge can corrode the tank, causing leaks and even complete water heater failure. Imagine waking up to a cold shower in a flooded basement. Yikes. The good news, you can prevent this with a simple, regular flush. Doing this once or twice a year can keep your water heater running smoothly, saving you money and extending its lifespan. Plus, you'll enjoy those hot showers without any surprise cold bursts. So, remember folks, a little maintenance goes a long way. Flush your water heater regularly and avoid the gunk buildup. Your wallet, your water heater, and your warm showers will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more pro tips. Until next time, stay warm and stay savvy.